my babies? It's your girl, Mama Rare. Can y'all believe I am up here today with you all, honey? Can you believe that? Rare Secrets. Finally. And when I say finally, she let me have some fun with y'all instead of me sitting on the sideline. She telling me to be quiet and all that good stuff. But you know what? I want to thank each and every one of y'all for asking for Mama Rare, because you know what? I am here. And it's the first, but it won't be the last. And with today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing with Mama Rare. Yes, honey. Yes, family. I want to do this unboxing with you. So you know what? Enough with all that talk. Let's get to it with the unboxing. Be patient with me, y'all. Be patient with me. Because you know I'm an amateur. I'm an amateur doing all this stuff. But I thank y'all. So, yummy. What? Does that say Louis Vuitton? Does it say that? Let me cut it, y'all. Let me cut it. Ooh. Y'all, do y'all see that, family? Ooh, the little garment bag. Little LV. Let's see. Y'all, we have the LV monogram bum bag. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Oh my goodness. It's the bum bag. It has the zipper, you know, the gold hardware. It has a strap. You know, it has the zipper in the back. It's a little deep, but you know, you can fit like lip gloss, you know, maybe your keys, you know, a couple of mints, you know, something like that. Keep your breath fresh, you know. Let me see what's it. And then on the inside part, you know, it has the LV, the little logo. But it's, you know, it's like it's pretty deep, so you could get, you know, a couple of things in there. It looks like you could fit, you know, some keys in there, your phone, you know, some wipes, you know, some little face pads to keep your face fresh, and you know, your little mascara, you know, eyeliner, you know. And it also, it has an inside zipper. The inside zipper, it's, you know, little something for you to find. I know we'll find something to put in there, you know. And it has the little strap, you know. So yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I would carry it. I like it. You know, Rare Secrets would definitely carry it. But yes, family, y'all got to excuse Mama Rare. I had to take another break. Drink, honey, and what? I want some of your brown sugar. Brown sugar, babe. I'm getting high off your love and don't know how to react. Yes, family, and that was for you, because you know what? This is part of the what? The giveaway. Because what? We did it, family. We over 900. And I want to thank y'all for rocking with my daughter, Rare Secrets. Yes, y'all. 900 plus. And it's because of y'all rocking with my baby, Rare Secrets. And I want to give y'all a big thanks, a shout out. I want to show y'all some love, because you know what? If it wasn't for y'all, it wouldn't be no Rare Secrets. And if it wasn't for Rare Secrets, it wouldn't be none of this. So I want to thank y'all, each and every one of y'all, for showing her the love, for showing me the love. I enjoy being with you guys today. It's the first, but it won't be the last. I love you, Rare Secrets family.
All right, girl. So, Mama, don't leave yet, Mama Rare. So, in today's giveaway, y'all, we're gonna have our word. Mama Rare, what's the word?
The word is called
hashtag
brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Y'all gonna see it somewhere up in here. Your girl ain't in the screen, but I'm nearby.
Somewhere up in here.
We're gonna do hashtag brown sugar. Make sure you following the YouTube Instagram, and TikTok if you have social media. And make sure you like and comment
and subscribe.
Thank you. On the videos, once again, that's hashtag brown sugar. Make sure you follow the TikTok, the Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. And make sure you like this video and put hashtag what in the comments?
Brown sugar.
All right, y'all. So once again, y'all make sure y'all follow the rules. We definitely gonna be checking it. I ain't picking this Mama Rare video, so Mama Rare gonna do the picking. So once again, you better make sure you follow the instructions.
I am.
And give us about 2 to 3 weeks. We're gonna give everybody a fair chance to enter, so you can win this lovely monogram bum bag. And as y'all can see, it's adjustable. Big girl, big boy, big whoever friendly. So you know how we gets down over here. We all inclusive over here.
And you know this.
Man.
Okay, until the next video. Bye.
Bye.